Hello everyone. With this diagram, we'll try to understand the internal circuitry of cerebellum. Cerebellar cortex receives afferents mainly from the mossy fibers and climbing fibers. When mossy fibers are stimulated, they are excitatory to the deep cerebellar nucleus, granular cells and Golgi cells. And through the parallel fibers, granular cells, they also excite basket cells, stellate cells and Purkinje fibers. And when climbing fibers they are stimulated, they mainly come from the inferior olivary nucleus. They are excitatory to deep cerebellar nuclei and also to the Purkinje fibers. Here one should understand that the deep cerebellar nuclei, it mainly acts as the output nuclei of cerebellum, and they are mainly excitatory. And the deep cerebellar nuclei in turn controlled by the activity of the Purkinje fibers, which keeps inhibiting it. And Purkinje cell activity in turn it is controlled by the activity in the other cells. Whenever there is a stimulation of the granular cells, no doubt it is going to stimulate the Purkinje cells. But when basket cells are also stimulated through the interneurons, it is going to inhibit the Purkinje cell, and it is called as feed forward inhibition. The granular cell also subjected to the feed forward inhibition, like whenever there is a stimulation of the Golgi cells by the mossy fibers, they in turn inhibit the granular cells through the interneurons. And granular cells, they're also subjected for feedback inhibition. Whenever granular cell is stimulated, it also stimulates the Golgi cell, and Golgi cell in turn it is going to inhibit the activity of the granular cells. So thus the activity in the cerebellar cortex, they are going to modulate the activity of the Purkinje cells, and Purkinje cells in turn they will modulate the excitatory output from the cerebellum. And that is how whenever there is a lesion in the cerebellum, the excitatory output from the cerebellum are lost and the person develops hypotonia. Thank you.